Right now I will quickly show you all screen lock methods on the Realme C71. So let's first go for the settings and go into the security and privacy, and as we go down here we can find device unlock, and here we will first go with the screen lock, and let's open this one up, and here we have in some 5 different screen locks. 2 of them, like basically this first one is no screen lock at all, so like you don't have to swipe or insert anything to unlock your phone. The second one is swipe, so if you're trying to unlock your phone you also don't have to insert any pin or pattern or anything like this. You just have to swipe up on the lock screen, and this will forward you to, like, this will open your phone. And the last 3 screen lock methods are the pattern, pin and password. So let's take a look at the pattern first. Here you are simply unlocking your phone using a pattern. You have to set up your pattern right here. Let's set it up real quick, and that's basically it. That's how you set up the pattern, and now you are able to unlock your phone and verify yourself by doing some sensitive tasks with this pattern right here. The next thing right here, the next screen lock we have is the pin. So let's go in there, and you're basically inserting pin to unlock your phone or do anything which requires the screen lock. So here this pin must have at least 4 digits. It is recommended to have like 6 digits, and I'm not sure if there is actually any limit on the pin. I don't think so, but yeah, let's set it up, this pin, real quick. And that's also pretty simple to set up your pin. And also let's try to unlock our phone using the pin. Here let's type it in, and yeah, that's basically it. And the last thing, the last screen lock that we have is the password. So it's the same as the pin. You have to have at least 4 characters, and except for numbers you can also use the letters and some kind of different symbols right here, but I'm not willing to actually set this password right here. But these are these screen lock methods available, and let me just quickly show you that also you can use the fingerprint and the face unlock to unlock your phone right here, or to complete some tasks that require the confirmation that you are actually doing it. So here is the face unlock. Simply as you open up, as you're willing to scan your face for the face unlock, it's like pretty simple. It's going very fast, like it takes around 10 seconds I think to set up your face unlock, and with this you will be able to like unlock your phone. And the fingerprint scan is it actually takes a little bit more time to set it up, but it's also pretty simple. The fingerprint sensor is located on this power button right here. It is not located in the screen, it is on the power button, and with this you can actually unlock your phone and also verify if that's you and some other stuff. So that's basically all of these screen lock methods on the Realme C71.